Hello everyone, welcome back to the Richard Shady channel. I'm Richard Shady. Sorry I can't do a video of showing you what I got for Christmas today, but I will resume with that tomorrow. We had a winter storm watch, and we had a lot of snow, sleet, rain, freezing rain, all mixed, and ice. And an Arctic blast. So I didn't have time to get nothing out because getting things prepared for the storm, and so I just didn't have time to get a gift out to show. But I will in tomorrow's video. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Me, I'm trying to stay warm because it is very cold outside. Very cold. Like I said, I will show you the next Christmas gift in tomorrow's video. Like I said, sorry I can't today. Uh, if you're new to the channel, I do collection videos here. Do not forget, all items is in mint condition. Always remember, each item I've gotten for birthdays, Christmases, from sisters, nephews, nieces, mom, dad before he passed, and no, none of the items is for sale. Like I said, I've got lots planned for each video. Lots planned for each video. But it's going to take a while getting out the items because right now I'm still yet showing the Christmas gifts. But once I get done with that, show the 2 new items that came in, then get started on the collection. Like I said, always remember at the end of each and every month, there will be a new item coming in, but that will be at the end of each and every month, plus the items I still have yet to show. And always remember to like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when I post the next video here on YouTube. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.